Imagine living in a world where 78% of full-time workers are living paycheck to paycheck. It's a disturbing reality, isn't it? But sadly, it's not just a figment of our imagination. It's the world we live in today. Every day, millions of people are caught in the seemingly never-ending cycle of financial stress, barely making ends meet. They wake up and go to work, only to find that their income just isn't enough. The bills keep piling up, the cost of living keeps rising, and their financial stress keeps growing. It's a struggle that's all too familiar for far too many people. It's a tough situation to be in, and it's even tougher to break free from. The need for a solution has never been more urgent. But what if there was a way to change that, to boost your income and alleviate that financial stress? Subscribing to our channel could be the first step in your journey to financial freedom. Join us now and don't miss out on tips on how to boost your income online. Meet Sarah and John, two individuals who were once part of that 78% but not anymore. Sarah was a single mother, working 2 jobs just to make ends meet. The burden of providing for her child and paying the bills took a toll on her. She was stressed, tired, and overwhelmed. Then she discovered the potential of earning online. She started small, selling handmade crafts on an online platform. Sarah faced challenges, yes, but she was determined. She spent hours learning how to market her products, improve her craft, and reach a wider audience. Little by little, she saw the fruits of her labor. Her crafts started selling, and her income began to supplement her day jobs. Today, Sarah is a successful online entrepreneur, and she's no longer living paycheck to paycheck. Then there's John. He was stuck in a dead-end job, barely making enough to cover his expenses. The stress from his financial situation was affecting his health and relationships. John knew he needed a change. He had a passion for graphic design, and he decided to turn that passion into an income stream. John started offering his design services online. It was a slow start, but he was persistent. He honed his skills, built his portfolio, and started getting clients. In time, his online earnings surpassed his day job's income. Today, John is a successful freelance designer, enjoying the freedom and financial stability that his old job never offered. Sarah and John were once financially stressed, but they found a way out. They tapped into the potential of the online world, learned new skills, and turned their passions into profitable ventures. Their journey wasn't easy. It required hard work, patience, and resilience. But they made it, and they're now enjoying the fruits of their labor. Their lives changed dramatically when they took that first step to boost their income online. Your life can change too. Taking the first step is often the hardest, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. There's a powerful truth in those words: the journey of 1,000 miles, the journey to financial freedom, to stress-free living. It all begins with that single courageous step. But let's talk about what often holds us back: fear and doubt. These twin monsters can paralyze us, keeping us stuck in the rut of financial stress. Fear whispers to us that we're not enough, that we don't have what it takes to start an online venture. It fills our minds with images of failure, of wasted time and resources. Doubt, on the other hand, questions the very idea of internet as a viable source of income. It asks, can I really make money online? So let's address these concerns head-on. Yes, starting an online venture can feel daunting. The internet is vast and the competition can seem overwhelming. But here's the thing. The internet also offers a level playing field. It opens up opportunities that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. Unlike traditional business models, starting an online venture does not require a huge upfront investment. You don't need a brick-and-mortar store, you don't need a warehouse full of inventory. All you need is a good idea, a solid plan, and the willingness to learn and adapt. And yes, you can make money online. Thousands, if not millions of people around the world are doing it right now. They're freelancing, selling products or services, creating content, teaching, consulting. The list goes on. It's easy to let fear and doubt hold us back, to let them convince us that we're safer staying where we are. But remember this: growth and comfort do not coexist. If we want to change our financial situation, we need to step out of our comfort zone. We need to face our fears, overcome our doubts, and take that first step. The internet offers endless opportunities. All it takes is the courage to take that first step. Now let's dive into some practical and achievable strategies that can help you boost your income online. First, freelancing. This is a broad field with numerous opportunities. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or have any other kind of skill, chances are there's a freelance job out there for you. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with potential clients. The beauty of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You can work on your own time and at your own pace. As for the income potential, it varies depending on your skill and the demand for it. But with dedication and quality work, you can make a significant income. Next, consider blogging. If you have a passion or expertise in a particular field, why not share it with the world? With platforms like WordPress and Blogger, setting up a blog has never been easier. Once you have a steady flow of traffic, you can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, or selling your own products or services. Again, the income potential varies. Some bloggers make a few $100s a month, while others make several thousands. Then we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can do this through your blog, social media, or a dedicated website. Amazon Affiliates is a popular program to start with. The key to successful affiliate marketing is choosing products that are relevant to your audience and promoting them organically. It may start slow, but with consistent effort, the earnings can add up. Selling products or services online is another great strategy. This could be anything from handmade crafts to digital products like ebooks or online courses. Websites like Etsy and eBay make it easy to set up an online store. And if you have a skill that others want to learn, consider creating an online course on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. The income potential here is huge, depending on the demand for your product or service. Finally, consider online surveys and microtasking. Websites like Swagbucks and Mechanical Turk pay you for completing small tasks or surveys. While the pay for each task may be small, it can add up over time, especially if you have some spare time on your hands. These strategies are not get-rich-quick schemes. They require effort and persistence, but with the right mindset, they can help you boost your income and alleviate financial stress. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And so it is with your journey towards financial freedom. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It's a process, not a one-time event. It's about making consistent progress, not about making a quick fix. Now you've been given the tools, you've been shown the strategies, you've been given the roadmap. All that's left is for you to take that first step. It may seem daunting, but remember, every journey starts with that single step. And with every step you take, you're moving closer to your goal. The benefits of boosting your income online are many and diverse. It's not just about the money, although that's certainly a big part of it. It's about the freedom that comes with it. The freedom to live your life on your own terms. The freedom to spend more time with your loved ones. The freedom to pursue your passions. The freedom to break free from the cycle of financial stress. And let's not forget, it's about the satisfaction that comes from knowing that you're in control of your financial future. That you're not just surviving, but thriving. That you're not just making ends meet, but making progress. That you're not just living paycheck to paycheck, but building wealth for yourself and your loved ones. So what are you waiting for? The road to financial freedom is right in front of you. It's waiting for you to take that first step. It's waiting for you to start your journey. It's waiting for you to seize the day and make the most of the opportunities that lie ahead. You have the power to change your financial situation. You have the power to break free from financial stress. You have the power to boost your income online. All you have to do is take that first step. You have the power to change your financial situation. Take that first step today and start your journey towards financial freedom.